Is this the end for software engineers? Are we going to be replaced by robots? I don't think so, and let me tell you why. First, let's address the obvious. For AI to be efficient, clients have to know what they want. And let's be honest, they usually don't know what they want. So let's look at what's happening in the market. For example, Tesla using AI is already old news. But recently, Mercedes-Benz started to incorporate more and more AI into their production pipeline. They recently integrated ChatGPT into their vehicles and into their production line. They also integrated NVIDIA's Omniverse to plan and adjust their factories. This move signals the expanding presence of AI in other industries also. Understandably, that's a call for concern for many people. The natural question that raises is, does artificial intelligence pose a threat to jobs? Well, taxi drivers do not have to worry. If Tesla taught us anything, it's that autonomous cars are nowhere near. What we are facing right now is another technological breakthrough and revolution in our society. This means a lack of stability. Rising prices of everything all around the world, starting from groceries and finishing with housing, makes the times we are facing at the moment especially volatile. Layoff rates in the tech industry are on the rise, jumping up by 5% compared to last year. A recent report by Goldman Sachs accentuates these concerns, asserting that as many as 300 million jobs globally could be at risk due to AI and automation. It's not merely the tech industry feeling the heat. We see evidence of AI's usage in industries as diverse as art, copywriting, content creation, and customer service. Every job that is repetitive and imitative is at risk. We already had in our history a similar revolution in the form of the introduction of automated assembly lines. But back then, mostly factory workers were affected. Right now, it might affect many more. If we step back, there are quite a lot of limitations of an AI. It does not possess human creativity or intuition. It can't come up with new ideas, and complex decision-making remains beyond its reach. It lacks common sense and context, and relies heavily on existing information. In summary, AI lacks adaptability. This means, if anything, it might replace only mundane and boring jobs. It will become a tool. Yes, it will increase productivity and efficiency, but nothing more. There is still a need for human factors, intuition, decision-making, and adaptability. Therefore, even as AI continues to streamline and potentially reduce the need for certain job roles, it is unlikely to lead to their total eradication. I would definitely don't mind seeing it take over project manager's job, though. The integration of AI into diverse sectors presents not just threats, but also opportunities. While it's true that the rise of AI is shifting demand towards roles requiring human creativity and strategy, this shift does not necessarily signify job loss. AI's potential to augment human creativity could lead to more efficient production of work, allowing individuals to create more at a higher quality in less time. Like it helps me create this channel, in form of voiceover. But if you want to know how AI helps me build this channel, let me know in the comments below, and I might share. Admittedly, the implications of AI's integration into various sectors are not entirely clear yet. However, based on the path that companies like Mercedes-Benz are charting, it's likely that AI will transform job roles rather than eliminate them. This shift serves as a potent reminder of the importance of adaptability and the need for continuous learning in our rapidly evolving world. There is another possibility to consider. What we are experiencing now is another bubble. Let's call it the AI bubble. That's similar to the dot-com bubble in the 90s when everyone is infatuated with this technology potential. But in a couple of years, we might see one AI company over another will go bankrupt. AI definitely is a Pandora's box we won't be able to close again, and it will stay persistent in our lives from now on. But I wouldn't believe the doom preaching we hear everywhere. The AI we have available right now is nowhere near being sentient, and if we ever will be doomed, it's most likely because of human error. In IT, however, it will enable us to focus on more important jobs and better code design. There are several potential applications for AI chatbots in software engineers' daily work, like task automation, troubleshooting, documentation, test writing, or even training and onboarding. But there's a caveat in AI being used in most IT companies. Let's address the elephant in the room: the potential for data leaks. When using a publicly available chatbot, there is a risk that sensitive data might be leaked, as the chatbot provider might have access to the information being processed and even used in further AI training. One potential solution to this problem is to employ an on-premise AI chatbot, which operates entirely within the company's infrastructure. However, developing an in-house solution could be prohibitively expensive for many companies, especially smaller ones. But as AI technology continues to evolve, we will likely see more secure and cost-effective solutions for integrating chatbots into the software development process. The rise of AI is not a death knell for jobs, but rather a call to evolve and adapt. It prompts us to develop new skills, innovate, and explore the vast possibilities that AI offers. But let's stay reasonable with it. The future will be shaped by those who can navigate these changes with an open mind, a willingness to learn, and a firm grasp of reality. Rather than fearing AI, we should embrace it as a catalyst for growth and change in the IT sector and beyond. In the end, it's the human capacity for innovation and adaptability that will determine the course of our AI-impacted future. But just in case, let's build a bunker in our backyard with Wi-Fi and an internet connection. Thanks for watching. Null Pointer out.